All right, guys, I got the new upgraded rebounder. Let's put it together. So I'm gonna open the box, take everything out, take off the protective coating, and lay it all out front. And if you need to do that, pause this video, get to that point, and then we'll move forward. All right, guys, so we got all the pieces laid out on the ground. It does come with a piece of paper, a little diagram, not any words on it or instructions, but it has a little diagram. So we're gonna just work on the front first. I think that's the best way to go about it. So we're gonna start, each of these pieces have numbers on them. So this one right here has a 1 on it, and we're gonna go use this one. So we're gonna take that, and we got the 2. So now we're gonna match the 2s. Make sure that these little brackets are going in the right direction. So we're gonna, these basically just kind of push the little knob down, put it in there, put it together. And then here's the other number 2, same thing. So we're going this way, plug it in, and connect. Now we're taking the 3, which I believe is this one right here, and then we're just gonna put it right over the top, same thing. So we're going to very simply put it together. So now we got the front little area. There we go. We're through. Now, let's get the bottom base. So this thing is upgraded with some little feet that's gonna help it to not move around. It's a little bit more of a solid base, which is a really nice upgrade. So we're gonna put these together. So we have the, 6. So now we're gonna put the 7s in. The 7s are on the side. Again, make sure they all line up. It's pretty foolproof here. I mean, I'm pretty good at taking like a 10-minute project and turning it into a, an hour project. But for the most part, this is pretty simple. If it's not, one thing that's nice about this is if it's not the right piece to put in, it's just not going to, you'll notice right away. All right, so we got these 2 frames put together. Now, all we got to do is connect them. So this is where we go into our little brackets here. It has a little Allen wrench, which makes it nice. All right, so this is going to be, oops, dropped a piece. It's gonna look like that. Now it's gonna work this way. Make sure you have this little bar, the extended piece, working back towards the middle, and it's gonna be on the top. So let's see, I'll be right over here. We're gonna connect the pieces together. So this bar right here is gonna connect these 2 pieces in the back. Okay. All right, one thing I recommend, attach this crossbar first. Attach the crossbar, plug it in. Now, attach it. It's gonna make it a little easier. Okay. So now we're gonna take this bottom bracket right here, and that's going to hook onto this base right here. So I'm gonna lift this little flap up, and that's gonna come on down here. We can rest it. And then that's just gonna fit right on. Move it back a little bit more. There we go. One thing that this needed was a socket wrench. So I have a 1/2 inch right here, and this will work well with the Allen. All right, pretty simple. Now we have it all. Look at that. Perfect. How it lays flat, right where we want to be. Look at that, putting it together. All right. Now we have the netting. It's the most important piece. This is what we use to, oh yeah, you can tell it's gonna do a nice job of just basically holding its position. So how I like to do this, I like to work opposite of each other when we're putting these bands on. So start with, let's do it over here. Start with the corner. All right, so now we got the corners in. Now we just start filling everything in. All right, that's looking pretty good. Pretty bouncy. Put another one on the bottom. We got a few extra bands, which is nice. Inevitably, over time, you might throw a ball off one of these little fasteners and they might break. So it's nice to have an extra one or two on hand. Hey, but look at that. For the most part, pretty simple. Didn't take me very long to put it together. It's upgraded. It's not going to move around as much. Really solid build. You're not gonna regret this. This is a really solid rebounder.